How to turn off active status on Instagram. Hey everyone! In this quick tutorial, I'm going to show you exactly how to turn off your active status on Instagram, so no one can see when you're online or last active. Let's get started. First, open the Instagram app on your phone. Now, tap your profile icon in the bottom right corner. At the top, tap the three horizontal lines to open the menu. Into Settings and Activity, scroll down to the section called How Others Interact with You. From there, tap on Messages and Story Replies. Now you'll see in section called Who Can See You're Online. From there, tap on Show Activity Status. Simply toggle the switch off, and your active status will be disabled. This means people you follow and anyone you've messaged will no longer be able to see when you're online or the last time you were active. And that's it. Your Instagram active status is now hidden. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like this video and subscribe for more quick Instagram tips and tricks.